Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Day number 87. Just kidding, but I don't know what day it is. Yeah, but what number of the vlog. Anyways, right now we're going to a Capitol tour, so that should be pretty fun. And then we're gonna do something. If we're allowed to film in there, then I'll film stuff, but if not, I'll see you in like 2 seconds.
Oh yeah?
We just had some delicious food. I had a Belgian waffle with Belgian chocolate, and it was very, very good.
I had a brownie with some water.
Marin's enjoying the pool.
Marin's learning how to be a stripper.
So we just took the subway to Arlington, as you saw some nice videos on there. And now we are going to go to the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier.
Yep.
So it's closed because we have the best luck in the entire world. This is like the 5th thing in the last 3 days that we've walked or gotten all the way to and had to be closed. So lovely. These are all the headstones lined up. They're all in nice straight lines and diagonals. So if you're watching this and you're on my team, please take notes. Thank you. Hi guys. So remember yesterday when we tried to go to the market and it was closed? And not Monticello. Arlington, and it was closed. Well, we just went all the way to the archives, and it's closed. We have horrible luck.
I've been to Washington, D.C. twice, and in both trips I've been pooped on by a bird.
There's some right there.
Where?